Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your Typeform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into your Typeform anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe polling your audience, sometimes it's better to have a video alongside the questions to help visualize the outcome. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a video into one of your forms, first you need to click up here on the top left on forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the forms you have in Typeform. You can say I have these 4 right here. And next you want to go ahead and choose the Typeform. So we'll work on this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different questions that you have inside of your form. You can say I have, looks like 5 questions, a payment, and a Calendly. So in order to go ahead and add an image into one of these questions, go ahead and just choose the question. So we'll choose this one right here. Okay, it says, how would you rate the preferred level of saltiness in dishes? Let me fix that. In your dishes. Okay, so once you've clicked on the question you're going to work on it, you can see it's like a darker gray. And once you've done that, you're going to see this setting open up here on the right. So what we're going to do is to add a video. There's a couple of different ways we can do it. We can go ahead and add a video right here. Click on the plus icon. And once you do that, you can go ahead and upload a video from your computer. Once it's uploaded, it will show up here in your gallery. And then you can go ahead and just choose it. Or you can go ahead and choose a video right here. And these are included with your Typeform. So let's say salt. And then we'll click search. Okay, so this one looks good. So we'll click here. Okay, now you see it has a video right here about salt. Another way you can do this is right here on the top, right here next to question, it says text or video. Click on video, and then we can go ahead and add a video. It's going to be more of a full-size video. So you can go ahead and upload a video right here. So once you've added in your video, make sure that you click on publish here on the top right. Now, if you added the wrong video, just click over here once again, and then click on text. And then you're going to see right here, image or video. And you can go ahead and change it. And then you can go back in here in video and then find a different video. So let's say ocean. Okay. And then we'll click here. Okay. And we'll click on publish. Okay. Now anyone who shows up on this form is going to see this video right here. Now, one thing I want to know is if you're going to add the video, the large video here on the left side and upload it, you do need to have the paid plan. You can't do that with the free plan. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.